Welcome to our 18th church anniversary. Better give a flowers to God. Amen.
Heard me cry as I tell you all the reasons why this life is just too hard. But day by day, without fail, I'm finding everything I need in everything that you are to me.
It is the gospel. The Bible said in Romans chapter 6, for I am not ashamed of the gospel, because it is the power of God that brings salvation to everyone who believes, first to the Jews, then to the Gentiles. I am not ashamed of the gospel of Christ.
I realize it's true that you are so
2014. 2014, yeah. 2014 compliment. Come on, let's compliment. We had a new people in the church. We had a new generation. With God, I'm calling to the church 2014. Amen. Amen.
How could I, after knowing one so great, respond to you in any way that's less than all I have to give? But by your grace, I wanna love you not with what I say, but every day in a way that my life is lived. Every time I pray, you seem a little bit closer. I never wanna leave, I wanna stay in your warm embrace. Oh, basking in the glory shine.
Come on, let's give a hand for God there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Come on, come on.
From your face, and every time I get another glimpse of your heart, I realize it's true that you are some marvelous God, and I am so in love with you. Wrapped in your mercy, I wanna live and never leave. I am held by how humble, yet overwhelmed by your majesty.
Over the hills and every Christmas na Christmas, ang lulungkot nyo. Mon! Ang ganda-ganda ng araw, ang lungkot mo! Ano ba itong mga tao na to? Ang ayos-ayos ng panahon, tapos ang sad-sad nyo. Adriana, Christmas ngayon. Guys, we should be happy. It's Christmas time. Mabuti pa, mag-Christmas carols na lang tayo. Bago yung lahat na yan, may pick-up line ako. Para kay Jaja.
Taglay kay Jaja, ha?
Christmas carols ka ba? Bakit? Kasi kahit malayo ka, ramdam ko na ikaw yan.
Uy, teka lang. Ako rin may pick-up line. Para sa'yo, Yute. Christmas lights ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi, tuwing nakikita kita, kumukuti-kuti ka ang paningin ko.